Morning, good afternoon. We're here at the John Cronin fishing area. John Jay Cronin River access in Rhode Island. You can see the beautiful spot right there, the falls. Gonna try and catch some trout here at this location. Pawcatuck River is the river that's flowing. With the lovely Route 91 bridge right there. Same thing, the creel limits hasn't changed. Hopefully here we can actually catch some trout. I got my size 6 hooks, trout worms that I bought at Quakerlane this morning. Normally I grow and raise my own bait, but I'm in a different state, so I'm using these. My setup here at the river, I got a weighted bobber with a snelled hook and a golden swivel clamp, and right where that foam area is, I'm going to try and aim and catch, and we'll see what kind of fish I can get. Alrighty, I'm going to get set up, cast out, and then I'll get back to you. Alright guys, I got my setup here. I got my Shimano FX medium heavy action ride, my Penn rate 4000 series reel, 15 pound mono by KastKing. I got a weighted float, an eagle claw golden swivel clamp, and I got a snelled eagle claw hook with some trout worms. See if I can catch some rainbow trout here on the Pawcatuck River at the John Cronin River access. I'll get it right back here in the pool area. This is where all the fish will normally be. See my bobber floating right there. See what I can catch. I know there's fish here. Beautiful river. There's a better shot of the waterfall for you. Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of fish right there in that center spot. Right there, right under the foam. We're gonna try and catch some right now. I'm gonna try and aim right where that foam is. Right there's a whole bunch of fish. Right on the foam, that's what I wanted. Just for anyone watching, see that pool area right there? My bobber is completely covered in the foam, so there is something there. See what we can catch. See what we can catch.